Welcome back to I Explain Animals. Today, we're diving into the colorful, clever world of one of nature's best mimics, the parrot. From their unique body parts to some amazing behaviors, parrots are much more than pretty feathers. So let's flap into the fascinating life of these intelligent birds. Let's start with a breakdown of the parrot's body. Beak. Parrots have a strong, curved beak that's like a multi-tool. They use it to crack nuts, climb, and even as a third foot. Eyes. Their eyes are set on the sides of their head, giving them a wide field of vision. Parrots also have excellent color vision. They can see ultraviolet light, which humans can't. Tongue. A parrot's muscular tongue helps it mimic sounds and manipulate food. It's surprisingly agile. Feathers. Bright, colorful plumage isn't just for show. It helps them blend into the tropical canopy and attract mates. Zygodactyl feet. Parrots have 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward. This gives them a powerful grip, great for climbing and handling objects. Tail feathers. Used for balance and steering during flight. Uropygial gland. Located near the base of the tail, this gland produces oil that parrots spread over their feathers for waterproofing and hygiene. Now, for some feather-ruffling fun facts. Parrots are incredibly intelligent. Some species, like the African gray, can learn over 100 words and understand concepts like numbers and colors. They mimic human speech using their syrinx, a vocal organ that functions much like our vocal cords. They don't understand every word, but they can associate words with objects or actions. Some parrots live for a very long time. Macaws can live up to 60, 80 years, and some even outlive their owners. Parrots love to play and paint. In captivity, some parrots enjoy creating art with brushes and colors. They're natural-born artists. There are over 400 species of parrots, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions, especially in Australia, Central and South America. Parrots are more than smart. They've got techniques that help them survive and thrive. Mimicry. Not just for fun. Mimicking predators or other birds can deter threats, and copying human voices helps captive parrots bond with their humans. Tool use. Some parrots, like the Goffin's cockatoo, use sticks to fish out food or fold cardboard to make tools. That's advanced problem solving. Memory. Parrots have a powerful memory. They remember routes, faces, and where they've hidden food even months later. Social intelligence. In the wild, parrots live in tight flocks. They form social hierarchies, communicate with body language, and even console each other when distressed. So the next time you see a parrot, remember, you're not just looking at a pretty bird. You're looking at a clever, emotional, long-living genius with a beak for business and a brain to match. If you enjoyed today's colorful journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more animal insights here on I Explain Animals. Got a favorite parrot species or a question? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.